there's people next door trying to have a
Let's
meeting.
go ahead and get this done.
Try it.
Yeah, they try. So anyway,
It's hard for us to
go ahead. I want to say.
with you here, Rachel.
So let's go ahead and get this done, guys, so you guys can go free, get your little self primed up for your little hotties tonight. All right? So, I want to say thank you. Okay, on a serious note, guys, let's get this over and done with. Okay? I want to say thank you, guys, for all being here. Thank you for being really good students. Every year, I bring students, and I serve as your main advisor. And I got to tell you guys, I love spending time with you guys. Each and every one of you guys.
We love you
It's
too,
my
Rachel, too.
opportunity for me to get to know you on a more personal level than in the office. And I love our students. You guys are the best. And so I want to say thank you.
You're the best. No.
We're the best.
You're the best.
What we're going to do is we're going to go over a little bit of housekeeping during this time. So listen up, please. We want to go over a little bit of housekeeping. All right? And then what we're going to do is what I thought we would do this time around is take a short time so that we can have Marcus do a little facilitation with us about some of the things that we've gone through. Because you guys are done already now with the workshops, okay? So from this point on, we don't have any more of those workshops except for the fun workshops which will happen tomorrow. So what I want to do is while everything's kind of fresh in your head right now, I want you to take this time to go ahead and ask any kind of questions that you might want, or bring up some of your own opinions, some of the things that you want to say about this conference in this setting, and then we'll take it back home and we'll have one more debriefing about the entire conference, okay? So let me go over a little bit of housekeeping first. And then what we'll do is Rachel is going to share, because there's a little bit of a little add-on this year here that we didn't really have. So we want to make sure that everybody's clear about what it is. First of all, because tonight is going to be pretty hyped up after the dance, let me reiterate again. There is absolutely no one from another college that is allowed in any of our students' rooms. Vice versa. You should have no business in anyone else's hotel room at all, okay? And yeah, you get from other students, wow, we're pretty strict, and we are strict. We really, really make sure that our student safety comes first, and that's one of the things that we set in place. So absolutely, there will be nobody tonight after the dance that will come into your room. Absolutely not. And I please could not catch one of you students going into someone else's hotel room that is not part of our school. Okay?
You won't catch me.
Yeah, so just so you know, on that comment,
We will catch
I have the power to open any door.
Rachel.
Of hotels that we have students at, which means every advisor can open them, and because we have worked so closely with hotels, I can get any hotel room opened under any of the schools. Yeah, so don't think I just won't walk in.
Can you get me to a room then?
Because I
So for Sam, you gotta make it worth your while if you're gonna have to do it.
will.
No, that is not what she
No.
said.
Yeah.
Terrible.
You guys might want a little bit of history about some of the ground rules that affect each and every one of us, including advisors. So the same rules that we put on you is the same rules that we put on ourselves as well. But I don't think most of you are brand spanking new. This is your first conference for SOCC. And so these ground rules were actually established by Rachel and the rest of the council. So
you won't find a loophole, because as the queen of loopholes, I made sure there wasn't any. There weren't any.
And let me say this real quick, is the rules are to protect each and every one of us, and that's why the rules are set in place. That's why the ground rules are established, is because it's to protect every single one of us.
So let me just give you a little bit of history for those of you who are new. This conference this is the only conference of its kind in the entire country, actually. the largest conference in the state that's anything like this. And other states look at us and ask, how do we do it? It's really, really remarkable. The conference center and the hotels love having us come because we are their largest and most well-behaved group of anybody. And we never have really big problems. We have 1 or 2 a year. And the more serious ones involved a sexual assault. And that wasn't, it was against one of our students, but not by one of our students. It was somebody else who came in that didn't belong. So part of the wear your name tags all the time and we are on it is absolutely about safety. We've had other issues occasionally that have come up. I have helped walk somebody on over across the street to the Greyhound and put their behind on it to send them home. We've also had the police come and escort somebody off to visit our state facility. And so safety is really, really paramount because you know how Jody and I feel about all of you. And we feel about you like you're our kids and you're our, so that's nice.
All right, Ron, we love you.
So safety, yeah, so
that's what's up.
we are returning you back. We took you, we're taking you back in one piece. And we know everybody. Yeah, so that was a little newsflash to one of the kids from Bates. Yeah, so So we know everybody, everywhere, and they know you. They recognize you guys immediately, which is really great because one of the other schools said, all those OC people, they're everywhere.
That's right.
Oh, see?
So please know
Olympic
that.
College.
Okay, before we get on with the more serious stuff, Eileen was just really funny. You have to share that.
You should have seen her last night.
You should have seen me last night. Saint her. You should have saint her.
Yeah, someone's got a video. I think I got a video.
Okay.
No, you don't.
Yeah,
What
I
did
do.
he does? So Eileen just said, I see OC. It's funny. So we have some changes. So let me tell you what's going on.
This is really important tonight, guys. When you want to veer off and then we catch your behind tonight, then you're going to be all upset because
Okay.
we're going to snatch you up. So y'all better listen to this change.
Okay, so my first thing is when you're at the dance, do not be naked.
That's one. You don't need alcohol.
And if Jody and I were to walk up and you're thinking that if we should see whatever you're doing at that moment on the dance floor and we would look at you like this,
Get down!
that is not that look.
You did hurts.
Don't do it.
Not gonna do it.
So, can't go down?
Can't go low.
Who?
Too low.
Juan, is that you?
Just
That's the dance.
Okay, so Juan may have to have a special seat at the dance.
Yes!
Put him with Crystal.
You're in the middle.
Yeah. No.
Okay, all these people and somebody else from university doesn't follow, so what will happen?
They're not my students.
What do you mean? If they don't follow it, like what? And it impacts you guys?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, so let me just tell you that
Paddle.
when I had the police escort a student off and the student I put on the bus weren't mine.